Ever made an English mistake so funny people remember it for years?
We're about to reveal the ones you should avoid unless you like awkward silence.
Learn them once, laugh forever. Welcome to the Funny English Podcast. I told my boss, I'm boring at work.
It's bored unless you want to insult yourself. A student once said, I'm constipated.
They meant concentrated. Big difference. At the hotel, I asked for a chicken.
You meant check in. Receptionist probably cried laughing.
I told my date, you look cheap.
You meant cheerful. Goodbye, romance. I said, I'm hot for you, to my teacher.
You meant I feel hot. That semester was spicy. Friends said, I'm married with my job.
Office honeymoon is married to my job. I told the waiter, I'm full of you.
It's I'm full. That's awkward. I once said, I'm exciting.
Nope.
You meant excited, unless you're a roller coaster. I told my boss, I'm sick of you.
You meant I'm sick today. Now you're unemployed.
What?
I told my friend, I'm expecting.
They thought, baby. You meant expecting a call. I said, I'm sensible.
You meant sensitive, unless you're a walking calculator. My student said, I'm embarrassed.
They meant pregnant in Spanish. That's a false friend. I said, I'm nervous of coffee.
You meant nervous about. Coffee's not scary. Someone said, close the light.
It's turn off the light. Doors get closed. I said, I'm agree.
Nope.
It's just, I agree. Extra words, extra wrong. My friend said, I have 25 years.
You mean I'm 25 years old. You're not carrying years in a bag. I told my boss, I have a doubt.
In American English, it's, I have a question.
What?
Doubt sounds suspicious. Someone said, I'm working here since 5 years.
It's, I've been working here for 5 years. Grammar matters. I told the cashier, give me a Coke in can.
It's in a can. Otherwise, Coke's in trouble. I said, I'm interested in sports.
You meant interested, unless sports find you fascinating. Someone said, I'm good in English.
It's good at English. Prepositions matter. My friend said, I made a photo.
It's, I took a photo. You're not in a photo factory. I told my teacher, I didn't knew.
It's didn't know. Past tense only once. Someone said, we discussed about it.
It's just discussed it. About is extra luggage. I said, I prefer tea than coffee.
It's prefer tea to coffee. Americans love their coffee though. My student said, I'm here since Monday.
It's, I've been here since Monday. I said,
Nope.
She married with him.
It's married him. No with needed. Someone said, he explained me the rules.
It's explained the rules to me. Word order counts. I said, I'll pay the coffee.
It's pay for the coffee. Otherwise, coffee's on the house. Friend said, I look forward to meet you.
It's meeting you. Gerund time. I told my mom, I have many works.
It's a lot of work. Work is uncountable. Someone said, I'm going home.
It's just going home. Less is more. I said, he is more kinder.
It's just kinder. Double comparisons don't work. A student said, I need an advice.
It's just advice. No in, and I told my friend, I'm very interesting in this.
It's interested, unless you're a documentary. Someone said, we enjoyed a lot.
In American English, it's, we had a great time. I said, I'll take an appointment.
It's make an appointment, unless you're stealing it. Friend said, she's married with a doctor.
It's married to, no third wheel. I told my student, I'm going to abroad.
It's just going abroad. Someone said, I'm looking forward to see you.
It's seeing you. Grammar date. I said, open the light.
It's turn on the light. Lamps don't have doors, friend said. He explained me the problem.
It's explain the problem to me. I told my friend, we did a party.
It's we had a party. Way more natural. Someone said, I didn't went.
It's didn't go. And if you've made mistakes like this, don't worry, we all have. Subscribe to the Funny English Podcast and share your funniest one in the comments so we can laugh and learn together.